Hi there, my name is Ann Zaranandia, otherwise known as Ann Z on eBay. My eBay store is A to Z Pirate Booty. That's why you see the pirate hat right there. I've been having fun buying and selling on eBay since July 6, 1998. That's a long time. I'm a top-rated seller and have sold about $750,000 in what my father used to call junkana. Anything and everything, from Scrabble tiles to dead used tennis balls for dogs, to collectibles, artwork, sports memorabilia, you name it, I've sold it. I like to say, if I can put it in a box and ship it, I can sell it on eBay. I'm going to show you all about the mindset that you need to sell on eBay. No, we're probably not going to make $1 million on each item. Sometimes we learn as we go. But there are a lot of buyers out there, and they're going to see your items because people shop on eBay all the time. It's a big standard right now. So that's what we're going to start with. I can show you that in 1 hour a day is all you need to be able to sell on eBay. Just put a little time aside and you'll find yourself hooked like I am, selling every single day, listing every single day, possibly even shipping every single day, and making money as you go. You're going to discover the feedback situation on eBay, where that's your online reputation. The more positive experiences you get, the more rewards you'll get in numbers growing to see how close you can get to the next level. I'm on my way to 10,000 feedbacks right now, and I've been at it for a while, but it's really a goal that I have, is to see how many people that I can really give good customer service to and a positive experience. I tell my friends about eBay all the time, and they give me their extra boxes that they've used for their online shopping and so forth. I don't really have to buy much packing material. So if you think, well, how do I start? Tell your friends about it, and they're going to want to either join in with you or maybe become a teammate on your eBay journey. Social media has become a great part of eBay as well. There's a way that you can let everyone know on your Twitter feed, on your Facebook feed, of things that you're selling and or buying, and you're going to all of a sudden inspire them to come look at the things that you're selling. So you never know where your next customer is going to be. It could be some of your friends on social media. You're going to learn about all the communication methods on eBay. There are messages that go through their system, and you can use photographs to show maybe a flaw that might be on a vase or something that they ask about as far as a measurement or a size, and you can use their inner workings to use communication. That's very, very important. Customers really like hearing from the sellers. What happens if we don't sell these items? Well, I'm going to give you some ideas about donation and charity work so that you can actually benefit from it if things don't sell. But it's all about moving things around the universe and knowing when to cut bait and try listing something else, because not everything will sell. A lot of people don't realize that, so that's one of the goals and expectations that I'm going to set for you. I'm going to show you how to do some simple bookkeeping. Even if you've never been able to do a spreadsheet before, there are some tools that eBay has and some third-party companies too that make it very, very easy, so that when it comes time for taxes the following year, you'll see that by just a click of the button, you'll have a Schedule C and you can report that on your income taxes. Because if you sell just $1 worth, there has to be an accounting of it. And I can show you simply how to make it just sort of simple, easy, and a no hassle. I'm going to go over the pluses and minuses of selling on eBay. There are some ups and downs. Some people are unhappy. We can learn about that and try to strive for a little bit better packing, or possibly descriptions, or better photographs. But I'm going to go over that as well. One thing I like to do is make it a family experience. Maybe you'll get your kids involved. Maybe you'll get family members to join in with you. Maybe friends down the street. It could be sort of a fun thing to see if you can find all the things in your house that you no longer need and that maybe you would sell for them on eBay. You can also take a commission for that, as I do a lot of consignment selling myself. I'm going to show you some realistic goals. How many listings can you do a day? 1 a day? 5 a day? 10 a day? Maybe a weekly goal of 100. Whatever your goals are, We want them to be realistic so that you don't feel the stress of it. This should be fun, and it is a great way to make some extra money. I'm going to show you what you need to do to get ready to sell. That means registering for an eBay account if you don't already have one. Registering for a free PayPal account so that when something sells, you can collect the money from the sale and that you can access it and put it directly into your bank account if you choose, or add an ATM card or use your ATM card that PayPal will give you, and you can get money directly from your local bank. That's sort of fun too. I'm going to teach you what you can sell and what you can't sell. There are guidelines that eBay provides. One thing, for example, that you can no longer sell is anything made with ivory. There's a whole list of other things so that you don't get in trouble, because we don't want to do something that we're not supposed to. And there's a way to learn exactly how. I have the links on my course. I also have some videos of things that I have sold. Actual things that I have sold at different times. Princess Diana books, sports memorabilia, certain things that I know that people love, piggy banks, all sorts of things like that. I give you tips all about things that you can sell on eBay. And you can look at the videos and see proof in all the things that I've sold over the years. It's just amazing. It'll sort of open up your eyes to a new way of looking at items around your house or even down the street at the garage sales. I'm going to show you how to take the proper photographs, and it can be easily done with an iPhone or another brand, Samsung or whatever, or your tablet, or you can actually use a digital camera and connect it to your computer. You can also list directly from your phone or tablet or computer. I'll show you the pluses and minuses of both when making it really, really simple for you to make your listings. I'm going to show you all about the money collection. Again, PayPal is one way, but they're now offering something called eBay managed payments. A lot of new things have happened since I produced this course, so it's going to be a learning experience for both of us. I haven't actually used that myself yet. I'm going to go over the strategies of how to spend time wisely so that you can list similar things and save time, and use a template that you've already created so that you can use things that are in the eBay system, find something on a search and look for it, and then look down at the bottom. You'll see a little button that says sell similar. If you have one of those, sell that too, so you can learn from what others have already been selling on eBay. I'm going to show you again all about the message systems, because eBay is all about communication. Somebody buys something, they pay you, you leave feedback for them, they leave feedback for you. It's very, very easy. Of course, all of this does cost something. You will get a certain amount of free listings every month, but there are fees associated with things that you sell on the listing side and also on the selling side, on what they call a final value fee. The important thing to remember is that if you have a lot of fees, that means you've been selling a lot of things. So fees are actually good. It just is part of doing business. Location, location, location. Being on eBay is one of the best places that you can sell because it has many, many eyes looking at the listings. I'll go over the differences between auctions and fixed prices. Auctions still do exist, so they're not as many as they once were on eBay. Now things are what they call fixed priced. You can have make an offer, and actually you can offer a reduction to a person that has been watching your item. I know all this sounds a little foreign for some of you, but as you go through the course, you'll see all these things will be well explained by me, and I think it'll make it really sort of fun. Some things are great to see in an auction setting. Others, maybe not so much. A pair of socks, unless they're signed by Michael Jordan, I don't think they're going to really be an auction item. The one stumbling block that I've experienced with my students over the years has to do with shipping. And this is one of the areas that I cover in my course. I show you what kind of boxes to use, how to get supplies for free from the post office, how to pack things so that they don't break, or when to use cardboard in an envelope, for example. And the best way that I can explain this is by taking my course and seeing how I cover shipping many, many different types of items. It'll give you some confidence and know that it's not hard to know exactly what things are going to cost before they actually are shipped. That way you can make some educated decisions on what to charge for shipping and or what your pricing is. And we'll do quick research too on how to price items, because that's an area that people are not familiar with as well. The main thing that you're going to find is that you're going to have fun, because you're going to save time, save money, make money, and get rid of things. One of the goals that you could have is that you want to just lighten the load, get rid of a lot of books that are on the shelf. You don't listen to CDs anymore. People will buy them. That's the kind of thing that I try to help people with when they're going through, how do I know what to sell? Well, it's probably right under your nose. So I hope you join me for this experience. Simpliv is a great platform to be able to take this course and repeat any section that you want to. I go over it very, very carefully. I explain things to novices, to people that have had a little experience selling on eBay, but I really believe that if you take this step-by-step approach, what I call the ABCs of selling online using eBay, you will be successful, you'll have fun, hopefully make a little extra money, and I would love to hear about all of your experiences. You'll see the link below is where you're going to click so that you can register for the course and find yourself just having a new hobby, maybe a new way to pay for a vacation that you have dreamed of, or looking for saving up some money for a large screen TV or some special gift for a loved one. This is the way to do it, with a little extra income that you can do being self-employed, just doing this on your own. You don't need to wait for an employer to hire you. You have the ability to make money on your own, and I'm going to show you how to do that. It's a very freeing experience to be able to be calling the shots on when you work, how often you work, the things that you like to sell. Maybe you have an experience like I do as a tennis player. I'm a tennis teaching pro by profession before I started eBay. And I sell used tennis rackets, used tennis balls. Those are things that I know about. Maybe you are a musician and play the guitar and have a few extra guitars lying around. Well, if you package it correctly in a well-suited guitar box, that could be something that you sell. I met somebody who was a skateboard pro, and he sells skateboards on eBay and does very, very well. Tickets to concerts, StubHub and eBay are connected. You can also sell those. So the sky is the limit. We can use your imagination along with some of the inspiration that I'm going to give you for this course, and hopefully you'll see all the benefits of selling on eBay by taking this course that I'm hosting on Simpliv. And I'd love to see you on the other side. Thanks so much.